This claimer race is going to be a ring ding dong dead there. And here they come. Number 22 is Tyler Duncan. Number 9, Jason Oakley. Number 21, Stephen Wills. Number 96, Carla Rodriguez. 33, Brandon George. Number 12, Terry Schulson. Very good starting position for the number 72, Tyler Duncan from Stettler. Second row, number 77, Nick Hopkinson. Do we have any Hopkinson fans here? Yes, I thought so.
What are those diabetic packs called? Like a finger prick pack. One was just handed in at the bar. But
Okay.
my guess is they probably laughed.
Okay, well, we can still try.
Yeah.
Okay, a diabetic finger testing pack has been turned into the bar as concession. So if you're diabetic, you're looking for a test kit, one concession. Okay, there's our claimers. Just look at all the claimers out there. What a field of claimers. We are bound to get some kind of good action here now. Look at them all. Got 22 claimers. The UT Cruiser starting from third row. Now starting in second row. This may well be a reverse grid for the main, just for your entertainment. Okay, wrapping them up. Here they go! 22. Whoa, look at the floor. I love it. right front tire on the number 81. Could be wrong. The 81 looks pretty good for him. Looks pretty good right now. You're gonna have to sort things out to put Nick Hopkinson in the lead on the restart. Followed by the 72, then the 4.
Oh, there he lost his rubber now.
Oh, there it is. It is the 81?
Yep.
Yeah, the 81 lost the right front tire. The wheel was still on, but the tire came off in corner number 4. So tough break for our number 81. And I don't know who they are. Oh, there it is. That's Joey Sullivan. Joey Sullivan is the number 81. Tough break for Joey Sullivan. And I think that's a front-wheel drive car, so he's definitely got a problem getting out of the way there. He's going to try and make back to the paddock area. Now he's going to go reverse track. There he goes. That's number 81, Joey Sullivan from Calgary. Tough break for Joey, losing that right front tire. Okay, so Nick Hopkinson is the race leader when that yellow caution came out.
Uh-oh. 77 went off.
77 went off.
The leader went off. In the back.
We've got reports that the number 77 has left the track. Oh no! 77 retired from the race. That's too bad.
Yeah, he's doing good.
So what's happening here?
Terry's found something in
Number
quarter
12
2.
is Terry Shilson. The 40, Kristen Dunn. 33, Brandon George. The number 8 is Channing Plaza. And I think that's car number 1. At the back. So we got the number 72 in the lead now, followed by the number 4. Can you see the number on that third car?
I think it's 26. It's a Wonder Bread car.
26 sounds right. I like that.
But I don't think it's got a name to it.
And I don't. It's not here. It doesn't really matter, you know. But I'm gonna call it the number 26. The Volkswagen Bug number 88.
That's Lloyd Campson. Yeah, Lloyd's driving it now.
Lloyd's driving.
Yeah, Lloyd's driving it
Right. Yeah, Lloyd Campson's got the number 88 Volkswagen Bug. The red bug in 4th place, so off for the restart.
Am I allowed to bet? Okay, no, maybe not.
now. No.
Okay,
I'll take a bet. I'll take a bet. It's a bet.
I want to bet on the bug. No,
On
maybe
the
not the bug.
Okay, you're gonna the bug to win, the bug to finish top 3.
I think I want 13, number 13. Which one's number 13?
Okay. So
I don't know if there's a
13.
13.
Do we have a 13? Okay, you're betting $5 for what? A top 5?
There's no 13 car.
Yeah, you better hang on.
Okay,
to
then
the
I'll go for number 1. The orange one. Orange.
The orange one is
Yeah.
a 01.
01, yeah.
Hold on, your money. No,
Serious.
don't do this. Don't do this.
No one else is betting.
Nope. I'm betting. I'm betting. Go ahead.
I just keep the money. Gonna get rid of this dude back. She's been drinking.
Yeah.
She's been drinking. Okay, so we have a particular interest in the 01 car right now.
Lit a campfire. They're
And we've
cool.
got a car stopped down in corner number 3.
And quarter one. There's one
And
there.
corner number 1. And corner number 1. I think that's the number 26. That car was as high as 3rd place. Let me see if I can find that little girl and give her some money back.
Guys.
Take your money back.
No, I screwed up on that money.
That's why you get your money
No,
back.
no.
You get your money back because you screwed up. Come on.
I totally screwed up.
Said she screwed up. I said that's why you get your money back.
That's right.
Okay, so racing in dusk. That's right. There's still enough light for racing.
Yeah,
Looks like
nobody's-
the hook comes from the number 26 car, and I think it's the number 71 getting a push off the track. That is Chihuahua, number 71. You know that. That's one of the
Yep.
ones you know.
Yep.
So we do hope you're having a good time here today. Remember, we're going to do it all over again tomorrow in the afternoon, not in the evening. Racing starts 2 o'clock tomorrow. Gates will be opening at 1 o'clock. So 1 o'clock today. The bug is out there, number 88. Lloyd Capson. We don't have as many claimers out there anymore. Timer Main. I think we're about halfway through. I thought it was spectacular the way the number 4, Tyler Kruger, came wide out of corner number 4. That was fun. I think the Volkswagen Bug might have been as high as 4th place during that last session. But what great racing, the number 72, Tyler Duncan, and the number 4, Tyler Kruger, are putting on. Kruger, that's Tyler and Tyler running 1st and 2nd. Okay, and we're still dealing, oh, it's on the hook now. For number 26. A lot of girls out there. Number 40, Crystal Dunn. All right, we're about halfway through our final 25-lap main event for the Claimers. Welcome to Dinosaur Downs and our first stock car race of the year. You were here right to the end. Tomorrow you get your radio DJ Jason from 99.5 Boom. Number 9 is a sharp-looking car, Terry Hubert. I like the bug. I really like the bug. Number 88. One of the bugs about midfield now. Tough break for the bug, number 88. Number 3, Dale Earnhardt. Showing number 3 as being Larry Kramer. Well, I'll believe it. That's Larry Kramer of Kramer Auto, Calgary. He's my mechanic. Okay, should get interesting about right now. Here they go. That was a Larry Kramer. Oh, this is going to be good. second place. Larry Kramer in second. And here comes Chelsea. Side by side with the 72. The 81 and something again. Larry Kramer in second with the number 3. Terry Schultz goes in the third with the number 12. Tyler Duncan. Larry Kramer, number 3, in second place. The leader, number 4, Tyler Kruger. Leader in the corner 3. Number 4 is right there, Larry Kramer. Kramer in traffic, gets through clean. Larry Kramer cuts through traffic along with the number 12. Number 4. Tyler Kruger, number 4, still holding the lead. There's that number 72. I was wondering what happened to 72. He's off track on the other side. White flag. One more lap to go. Final lap. Oh! A car in stock in 4-3. Second lap, the winner. Larry Kramer takes the win. Larry Kramer. Larry Kramer over Tyler Kruger. I think Terry Schultz on number 12 got third place. Something happened to Tyler Duncan, number 72 out there. All of a sudden he's off track. So, thank you one and all